Welcome to our guide on how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal in 2025. Today, we'll explore the seamless integration of these two powerful platforms. So, why choose PayPal for your Bitcoin purchases? PayPal offers a user-friendly interface, strong security features, and instant transactions. Let's set up your PayPal account. First, ensure your account is verified and linked to your bank or credit card for a smooth buying experience. Now, let's explore platforms that allow you to buy Bitcoin using PayPal, such as exchanges and crypto wallets designed for this purpose. Here's your step-by-step guide to purchasing Bitcoin with PayPal. Follow along as we break down each part of the process. After acquiring Bitcoin, managing your wallet is crucial. We'll discuss best practices to keep your investment secure. It's important to understand the fees and limits when using PayPal. Let's take a closer look at what you might incur. Safety is paramount. Here are some essential tips to ensure your Bitcoin purchases via PayPal are secure. Let's look at the market trends and predictions for Bitcoin in 2025. Stay informed to make the best purchasing decisions. In conclusion, as we look to the future, buying Bitcoin with PayPal is set to become even more user-friendly and accessible.